Hello everybody, this is a experiment to see how accurate or inaccurate these temperature guns are. Now these are not Canadian Tire $50 uh, infrared thermometers. This is a rather expensive 50 to 1. See the distance to spot ratio is 50 to 1. You don't find these in stores. These are special order things. And this is a Kaimesu infrared thermometer. And you can see it is certified. Okay, these have certifications. Yeah, what's the certification on this one? This one does not show a certification sticker. But this is also a 50 to 1. So now we're going to verify these, or test them against, this is a room laboratory Spur Scientific science thermometer. It's reading 23.2 Celsius right now. And this is a very, very hard to find microscanner D series. This is a D series. Okay. This is NIST, calibrated for life. Calibrated for life. There it is. The life, it's life or my life. So, okay, now it says 23 Celsius. Let's see what it says. 23 Celsius over there. Okay, so 23 there, 23 there. So we know it's 23. Now, I know, because I've been doing this every day for a long time now, that my wrist temperature when I am healthy, it is 33 Celsius. 33. Should be 33 if I'm healthy. 33 on that side. 33 on this side. Okay, so I'm healthy. So now this should read 32 and 33 here. Now my right hand is what I. Okay, let's read it here. $33.7. And this one. See, I changed the, you can see that the reflectivity is, I changed it to 0.99. That's the skin. You know, the skin reflectivity adjustment should be not the factory 0.95, but set for 0.994 Asian person skin. So, okay. This one's good. All right, now, where's the other one? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Oh, this one over here. Off. See how off it is? That's 28, 26, 23. Look at that. It's really bad. Okay, try it again. What the heck's it reading? It's reading that. Reading the wood. Let's see. That's pointed to my, that's right there. 33, 34. Okay, but it should be reading it from this far. It's not, see, it's not reading accurately. Okay, now it is. 33. Oh, the reason it's beeping is I set it for, it has an alarm. It has an alarm if it goes over a certain temperature. Now see, it's off here. It should be reading. Okay, now it's 34. So it's not, it's off by 1 Celsius. I am not 34. Should be 33. So, yeah, let's try this again. This, okay. 32.6. Okay. See, it's almost 33. Okay, so this one is doing better than this. This is also set for, the emissivity is also set for 0.99. So, yeah. Okay. So it's, when it's on the skin, it's okay. But further out, it's not, I guess my comment is that this is not repeatable. You know, each time you do it, it has a different reading. So, okay, thank you very much for watching. Unlike this one, this is always repeatable. It's, you know, whatever you do, it's always the same. The repeatability is the issue. So it's 32. It's the repeatability is the issue. So that's our test.